Hello everyone, I'm Zainab Al Mousa, a registered dietitian from Dasman Diabetes Institute, and today I'm going to be talking about healthy lunchboxes. Kids spend approximately 8 hours a day in school, which constitutes a third of their day, and they perform various activities that stimulate their minds, activities that stimulate their bodies. In order for them to have enough energy to last with them throughout the day, they need to be properly nourished. Now, canteens these days don't usually supply healthy foods. They usually have snack foods, which are popular with kids, like potato chips, chocolates, juices, and sodas. And so sending your kid away to school with a healthy lunchbox is a good idea and a good start in promoting a healthy living for your child. A common lunchbox item is just the good old sandwich. You can put in different fillings. Make sure you put in a filling that your kid likes. For example, if your kid doesn't like tuna, then don't put in tuna, because you want them to have something that they'll eat, not something they'll throw away when they go to school. A lot of kids like turkey because it's mild. It doesn't have like a strong flavor. So you can put that in. You can add honey mustard or different like dressing. Some people add like a bit of balsamic vinegar to give a bit of tanginess. Something else that you can add like as a snack or something that they can eat with the sandwich as opposed to potato chips, just plain old carrots. You can put in dips like pesto or something if you want them to add like a bit more flavor. You can also use celery. That's another healthy option, or cucumbers if your kids like cucumbers, and you can just pack them in easily. Some kids don't like them to be in bags because once that you put them in their backpack, they tend to get squished. So you can use like these containers and just put in their sandwich with, I guess, the side like carrots or, as I said, celery or something else like that, and just pack it and put it in their backpack for them to eat. Another option other than turkey would be labna. A lot of kids like it. You can add in a bit of vegetables, just cucumbers or tomatoes. If your kids will accept it, just a bit of mint leaves, which gives them a lot of vitamins and minerals. Another thing that kids tend to like, if they're not allergic to nuts, peanut butter. Add a bit of honey for sweetness, or bananas. So that's another option you can use. And some parents don't think peanut butter is healthy or it's fatty. Actually, it has a lot of monounsaturated fats, which are really healthy and are good for kids, and they help them feel satiated, so they won't feel hungry after an hour. Okay, another thing that you can add instead of chocolate or potato chips, just nuts, which also provide them with poly and monounsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that promote, that are good for the brain because they help renew the cells. Also, they have a lot of calories, so your kids will stay full for a while and they won't crave things like chips or chocolate. Another thing that you can add, just plain old dried fruits because they're sweet, so they can satisfy a sweet tooth. Also, just plain old fruits, bananas, apples, whatever fruit is in season is even better because it has more vitamins and minerals. And a lot of kids tend to like juice. I'd stick away from juice because it has a lot of sugar and tends to contribute to the bouts of hyperactivity that kids get during the classroom, so it'll decrease their concentration. So I'd go with milk, which gives them calcium, protein, vitamin D for strong, healthy bones and teeth. If they don't like milk, then just go with yogurt or liban if your kids like it. And also, kids run around all day, so they lose a lot of water through sweats and breathing. So just make sure you add in a water bottle so that they stay hydrated throughout the day. And make sure you eat your vegetables and exercise often. Thank you.